So many of you guys on the channel have been asking us about our new house, and we've been so busy with the decorations and remodeling and rewiring and fixes and internet setups and everything else that we haven't had time to even give you a tour. So now we're going to give you an official full house tour, not just a quick one that you may have seen in the previous videos as soon as we moved in, but a full tour talking about how we got this house set up and furnished and where everything is and how we got it all wired and everything else. So really excited to share this with you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the new place. Okay, heading in here, we got our fancy little fingerprint lock. There's Daisy and there's Mia. Hey guys. Hello kiddos. Okay, this is our living room. It's sort of organized and clean-ish because the cleaning lady just came here, so it's more or less in decent shape. We got our table over here, a whiteboard with some old stuff. That's where the kiddos eat. And then over here we have our kitchen, brand new kitchen. They actually just installed this right before we moved in. I did some extra wiring here to put an outlet behind our microwave and some other stuff. And we got all our appliances, as you can see. Got our fridge over here. The fridge actually, and I'll tell you a little bit more about this later, but it's powered by a system that I created that's based on our solar panels. So it's actually connected to a separate power grid that is powered by our solar panels. And then here we got some space. This is the food that the kids eat. It's raw, organic, I don't know, some fancy meat and carrots and whatever else they put. Got some berries here, and then we have all the wonderful food that we cooked. Well, specifically Amanda cooked yesterday. She made some pad thai, and Mia's already trying to get in there. Come on, nope, let's get out of there. That's not for you. Got a little bit of storage over here under the stairs. That's actually where Harry Potter lives. We don't tell anybody, definitely not up to code. Then we got one of our patios over here. I installed these string lights, which are pretty cool. And you can see some remnants of our projects on some of these walls over here as well. There's Mia again. And we've got our garden hose and a ladder and some other stuff. Just, you know, basic house things. We're gonna probably put some nicer furniture out there pretty soon to be able to just work outside, especially now that the weather's cooled down a bit. Hey, Days. All right, so we'll head on over here. There's our stairs. Before we head upstairs, we're gonna take a look. We've got one little small bathroom here. And then this is our essentially garage area. So we've got our bikes here. Amanda's still working on picking up riding her bike, or we've been teaching her the last few weeks. So we're getting her on the bike. And there's my bike, and then we've got some of our tools here. And then this is one of my favorite parts, actually. You can't really see it too well, but this is my server room. So we've got a couple little servers that we set up to run our home automations and backups of our web servers in Miami, and a bunch of things that I'm playing with for development. We've got storage here for our surveillance systems and console for that computer. And then this is actually also powered by solar. So we ran electric wire, we got some 12-volt wire, we've got some 120-volt wire that's powered by an inverter, and we've got a few network cables up there as well. And then our backup battery for over here. Then coming around, got our yoga mats back there too. So we'll head back upstairs, or we'll head upstairs here. And this is the second floor. There's actually 3 stories total in this house. So here is my office. We got a little adjoining bathroom as well between the 2 offices, which is pretty cool. We just use that shower mostly for storage right now. But this is what my office looks like. Got a bunch of books here, some planning stuff on the board, my stand-up desk, got an AC that we actually had installed. And then this is where all of our printers and networking equipment and everything else is. I actually built all of this stuff here myself. Still got a little bit more cleanup work to do, but basically we have all these things also connected to our solar system, and that powers our 2 internets that we have and a bunch of different switches for various points in the house, and then all of the connections as well that serve the access points throughout the house and our 2 offices. And we've got a little window here that goes down into our patio right there. And then you can see here we've got a nice view of the palm trees and everything like that. Come back around here. Got some soundproof foam on these bathroom doors because the doors here are a little thin. Oh, look at that. There's Amanda. She just got back from her nail appointment. I'm showing them the house here. There's Daisy again. She likes to be around us. And then this is Amanda's office. Got her stand-up desk here too. Her microphone that I got set up for her. Bunch of cabinets and stuff here.
Pom-poms.
The pom-poms. Oh, the pom-poms. Yes, you probably have seen these pom-poms on our many videos. And then would you like to tell them what this painting is here?
This is funny. So this last year.
Hold on.
Oh, Mike?
Yeah.
Okay, so last year, a neighbor who lives up front does art classes for kids and also adults. And last year she did like a big party for Dia de los Muertos, which is a really big deal here in Mexico. And she basically did this big party. She turned our driveway into like this magical Dia de los Muertos wonderland. We'll see if we can find some video and put it in here for you guys. But she was selling the paintings of her students. And this was like, well, how he was just like
They're
a
not paintings of her students. They're paintings by
her students. Yes,
students.
Paintings by, thinking in Spanish, trying to translate in my head. So paintings by her students, and she had adults and kids. And this was one of the kids. I think he must have been like 6 or 7 years old. And it's Lake Chapala, and then this is supposed to be the church in Lake Chapala. And he basically saw Justin and said, oh, there's an American guy I can sell a painting to. Basically is what happened. He's probably the best salesperson we've seen in Mexico. And he convinced Justin to buy his beautiful painting.
It was all 300 pesos?
Yeah, maybe 300 pesos. We need to get a new frame for it. And then that over there was when I attempted art classes.
Yep. All right, thank you for the little tour here of your office. Grab this mic back from you. Okay, and continuing, there's Mia again supervising. Hey, little kiddo. This is our room here, the master bedroom, as they say in the house tours, where the magic happens. I don't know what they're referring to, but apparently magic happens here. Amanda is a little bit of a witch. She does do some magic. You got some candles and some intentions, and yeah, we got some stuff. But usually that happens in her office.
Oh, yeah, true.
We got the gong, the little, what is it, bell thing?
Yeah, I'm definitely woo-woo and witchy.
So coming over here, you can see we got a nice bed, a lot of space in here. Also another window looking out onto our balcony. Got a lot of security here. We got a nice barbed wire fence all around there. We like to keep it safe. And you can see over there. And then we've got nice big walk-through type of closet. Very spacious here. Lots of storage too. And then our bathroom that's a little messy. We have to organize a little bit. Hello. And our shower over here. Got some really good water pressure in there. And then, yeah, that's pretty much our room there. Then now we'll go ahead and actually show you. Oh, we got a little patio here as well. So if you want to come out here, maybe drink a glass of wine or something, just relax. Got sky everywhere too, so really open spaces. And then there's our rooftop terrace, which I'll show you in a sec. But we got a nice big patio here. Daisy, you want to go see the roof? You want to go see the roof? Come on. You love to roof. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go show everybody the roof. Come on. They want to see it. Go, lead the way. Lead the way, lead the way. Good girl. Show them where the roof is. Let's go. Where's the roof? Good girl. Oh, right here we actually have our guest room, which, side note, we're going to be doing a giveaway very soon. We're going to have one select entrepreneur, expat follower, or couple come and stay with us here in Guadalajara for a week. We're doing a giveaway for our email list here very soon. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you sign up for our email list. We're going to give away we're going to give away a Living in Mexico guide. That's yours for free below this video. And we're giving away a week's stay here at Casa de Justin and Amanda. It's no five-star resort, but it is very comfortable. And we're going to teach you all about the entrepreneur expat life and how we came to be here. This is our guest bathroom with a nice shower, hot water everywhere, of course. I fixed a little bit of this electrical stuff myself. We got new outlets, new switches, all that. Got some air over there. Nice mirror, very comfortable bed. And this is our patio. If you guys hadn't seen it before in another video, definitely check it out. But this is where I have my entire solar system, which we've made some upgrades to over the past few days as well. So we've got charge controller, battery, inverter, a bunch of other fancy stuff here to make sure that even when the grid goes down, which does happen occasionally, we still have power. And if you take a look up there, you can see all of our panels and how they're connected down into that system. Got our washer here, pretty nice big washer. We actually got this semi-new at one of those like outlets that sells, you know, it's got like a little scrape or something on it, and they'll sell it to you for 20 or 30% off. They've got cool places like that in Mexico. So I think we picked this up for like $200 or $300, even though it's nearly double brand new. Got our AC there, got our dryer, our tank water heater, and then I just bought this cool little generator. We got the box here, but this is the generator there that we just tested out. And that's in case we've got cloudy days and power outages, which very rarely happens, but I like to be prepared. Got a little bit more storage here. And then here you can see our whole rooftop terrace. Here we can hang our clothes, although we don't use that too much anymore with the dryer. And we have this whole nice bright view. And if we come up here, I can show you what it looks like from up there. We're not going to go up right now, but you can get a rough idea of what it looks like from that part of our roof as well, which is really cool. You can see a lot of trees and sky and mountains and everything like that. Hopefully there's not too much wind up there. Hope you're doing all right up there. You're very high up. All right, let's bring it back down. There's our gas tank. So how you get gas here in Mexico is there's actually a big truck that comes out there, which is where our entrance is, and it'll come and bring a hose up here. They'll come up on a ladder, and then they'll bring the hose up to this part of the roof. Open this little valve here, and then here you can see, oh, we're at 20%. So probably about time to order some more gas. They'll refill it, and then this gas is used for our water heater and for cooking, and it'll usually last about 1.5 to 2 months. You can see all the piping here for the gas. Our other AC, this one I forgot to tell you, is actually solar powered as well. When we've got a lot of sun, we can run this off of the solar inverter and panels too. Well, that was the tour of our place. If you enjoyed, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. And if you're interested in moving to Mexico and living the entrepreneur expat life out here, be sure to download our Moving to Mexico guide below. One lucky winner that is a subscriber and is on our email list is actually going to also win a free stay here at our place, at the guest room right behind me. And we're doing that so that we can really share the authentic Mexican experience with people and also give them resources for when they're moving to Mexico. So make sure to download the guide below. That'll get you on our email list, and definitely subscribe for more awesome content. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one.